Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Denise Hurd, Vice President of Research for the U.S. Poultry and Egg Association. Today, I'm chatting with one of our very own, Rafael Rivera, Manager of Food Safety and Production Programs for U.S. Poultry. Welcome, Rafael.
Thank you for the opportunity, Dr. Hurd. Glad to have this conversation.
All right, well, we'll get started. So, Rafael, as you know, this month I have been highlighting some of the food safety research projects that U.S. Poultry funded during the most recent research competition. The emphasis has been on Salmonella and Campylobacter research. So I'm thrilled to have the opportunity to highlight the U.S. Poultry Food Safety Program and have you provide an overview of what the program offers the poultry industry. And also, I know that you have a big announcement to share as well. But first, please share with us the mission and objectives of the Food Safety Program.
Sure, absolutely. The mission of the Food Safety and Production Program is to provide educational and technical resources with the goal of keeping the food safety professionals up to date with regulatory, technological, and scientific developments. We also provide the same educational and technical opportunities for the live production segment of our membership, so that our industry also ensures the health and well-being of the animals we raise.
And what set of programs, materials, or trainings are available to the industry? Please share how one would request them, if there are any, and if there are any associated fees.
Currently, we offer training and education resources through a series of pamphlets, brochures, and manuals called the Technical Reference Series that offer general information on food safety topics like the use of whole genome sequencing, carcass sorting for plants, using the new poultry inspection program, and even an orientation about food defense plans. We have an online learning management system that is designed to provide on-demand training for members, and we currently have training supporting food safety programs for shell eggs. You can request access to these resources by visiting USPOULTRY.org's food safety and poultry and health and welfare sections. Most programs are free of charge to U.S. Poultry members, with the exception of our seminar and workshops, like the Poultry Processors Workshop and the Live Production, Welfare, and Biosecurity Seminar. For more information on our seminar offer and schedule, visit the education section in USPOULTRY.org.
So U.S. Poultry has a lot to offer when it comes to food safety. But now let's move on to the big announcement. Rafael, U.S. Poultry has approved a new Food Safety Advisory Committee. Tell us all about it. We want all the details. Can you begin with why the committee was formed?
Sure, and this is a pretty exciting project. Certainly a wonderful addition to our organization. And as I mentioned, the Food Safety and Production Program has developed many resources through the years, but there's a need for a focused approach to incorporate the research we fund, the regulatory changes, and the conversations derived from our meetings and educational programs. And we need to translate them into resources that will help with these adjustments and whatever is required to address public health needs and maintain a vibrant industry capable of providing safe and affordable products for the country and the world. The Food Safety Advisory Committee will help us gather and organize current scientific and technical knowledge and help us convert this into those resources that can be utilized to improve the food safety programs and develop the professionals that are in charge of advancing this knowledge among our membership. The ultimate goal is for U.S. Poultry to be the gateway to research and technical resources for the advancement of food safety programs in our industry.
And which sectors are involved on the committee?
Yes, during the formation of this committee, it was important to have representation of the entire U.S. Poultry membership, and we also wanted to offer an opportunity for new leaders to provide input. Currently, there's representation of our chicken, turkey, and egg industries. In addition, we have representation of the breeder sector and from the duck industries. We also incorporate representatives of allied industries and fowl processors. The committee has a variety of experiences ranging from members with processing experience, laboratory management, and research. And we even have people with experience in hatcheries and live production. We have members that have had the experience in participating in industry committees, and we also have many new faces where we can also build that expertise and continuity for the future.
Sounds like you have all your bases covered. When do you anticipate the first meeting for the committee?
Well, actually, the committee just completed its first meeting during IPPE 2022, where we had the chance to brainstorm possible initiatives that we can develop in the near future. And we will continue to give these initiatives shape in the coming months.
Thank you. This Food Safety Advisory Committee is going to be such a value to the industry. I know that there are other food safety committees devoted to poultry. How will this committee be different and not duplicative?
Sure. USPOULTRY has collaborated with the National Chicken Council, the National Turkey Federation, and the United Egg Producers for many years, moving our food safety initiatives forward and working with government agencies as well to ensure compliance with regulatory requirements and meet public health needs. We will continue to do so by participating in their respective food safety and technical committees, and we will also have representatives of these organizations participate in our committee. The Food Safety Advisory Committee will focus on incorporating these organizations' work into the resources that we develop. And our sister organizations will also highlight the work that we do here to their membership and in conversations with government, so that we are able to demonstrate that the industry is doing their part in advancing our overall public health responsibilities.
Raphael, it sounds like you're going to be very busy providing leadership for this Food Safety Advisory Committee. I'm looking forward to the advancement of food safety through its membership's expertise and knowledge. Is there anything else regarding the Food Safety Advisory Committee or the food safety program that you'd like to share today?
Certainly, the Food Safety Advisory Committee will be a great project that I'm really looking forward to developing. There will be opportunities for growth here, and suggestions on how we can improve the food safety program are also welcome.
Well, thank you very much, Raphael, for spending time with us today, for providing an overview of the food safety program and sharing your exciting news about the development of the Food Safety Advisory Committee. We're looking forward to all of the great things coming out of the U.S. Poultry Food Safety Program. Thank you.
Thank you, and thank you for the opportunity. It's been a pleasure.